Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer We Matter and What's Up Nails B015. I'm starting off with IMK Bio Base as my base coat. And here is We Matter by Bases Loaded Lacquer. The blue shift on this is in your face. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but in real life, oh my goodness, the blue pops. So pretty. You guys know it's pink, so I love it. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So we're going to go in with the second coat of We Matter. And this was part of the duo that came with some cuticle balm from Ribbity Stickets. And part of the proceeds from this went to a fundraiser type thing. So if I can think about it and come up with it, I'll leave the extra information down below. Y'all know I'm crazy with this stuff. So we did 3 coats, and now I'm going to top it with IMK's, or no, I don't know, INM's Out the Door. Get it right, girl. So I got this from Sally's. It's a quick dry top coat, and it's not real thick like Seche Vite or Posh, so that's why I like it. So there is a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using What's Up Nails B015 and those circle images. I got my beauty scraper and a bunch of stampers out. I also have Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout to stamp with, and I'm going to use this, and look, I'm going to just put it on the screen. That's how they spelled it on the bottom of the bottle. I think they meant cerulean polish. And I'll be using my Zero What's Up Nails Mermaid brush. And we're just going to jump right on into this. So I'm going to make some decals and fill them in. I'm not going to show like every step of every single one, but I'm doing 3 of them. They're all going to be the same. I do clean my plate off with pure acetone. And yep, that's it for that part. So I'm just picking up the images, bink, 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 make it real quick, clean, clean, clean. And this is the easy part. I say easy only because I have like shaky hands, so the second part of this is going to be a little harder. But I do love this little bitty brush. I can't remember who in the comments suggested it, but thank you, whoever you are. I will go back and try to look through comments and see if I can find who did that, because I do really like this. I love my one from Maniology, but you know, us nail junkies, we like options, right? I want some options. So I'm just filling in like the inside circles with this blue. And I wanted to use, like, since the polish was so blingy itself, I wanted to use just creams for this. And in the end, it didn't look like what I pictured in my head. I mean, it was an okay manicure, but it's definitely not a favorite. You know, sometimes my color choices are poor, but sometimes those weird color choices work out, you know? They, like, happen. So I'm going to use that Wet n Wild Clear to go over this. I'd actually already started it and realized that the camera wasn't recording. So we're going to finish this up. I'm doing all of them the same. I did let them dry for a little bit so I didn't smear it while I was brushing the clear on. And now that they're dry, I'm going to go in and just do a like dry brush of this super dry that I get from the Dollar Tree, just to give me something sticky to stick to, for my decals to stick to. And then we're going to line this up and plop it on there. And I know sometimes I make things look harder than they have to be, and I apologize for that. Don't let my struggle bus stuff slow you down. Like, this is the part I'm talking about. I took way more time trying to cut, tear, pull, separate this decal from around my cuticles. And, yes, I'm just going at it. And y'all are going to see that after I'm done, I don't have any cut cuticles. This isn't like a serrated blade or a sharp knife or anything. It's really just kind of a flat edge. And no, this is no sharper than Woody. And, but normally I have great success using this tool, and today I'm not so much. So there we go. Okay, get that off of there. Now let's get on to the other cleanup. I'm using my Maniology cleanup brush, and I'm going around the edges, and it is cleaning it up, but it's also helping, you know, melt that decal down to the nail and the nail polish underneath. Now, I loved this base color. I didn't really end up loving the design I went with, the decals, but that base color is just so pretty. Another subscriber told me this about the smearing no smudge top coat. She said to put it on a stamper and then stamp it over the nail. So I thought I'd give it a try, and lo and behold, y'all, it totally works. You just clean your stamper off on a lint roller or a piece of tape when you're done. But you are going to have to go back in with your cleanup brush if you're messy like me, and, you know, get that clear off of your nail. But if you're having trouble with smearing designs, this is an excellent idea. You could use your regular top coat too, and then after it dries a little bit, then brush on a top coat like I'm doing here with the Posh, and then, you know, seal it all in so you don't get any smearing because you're not doing those brush strokes over the design. So there you go. I really do listen to y'all. When y'all leave me comments, I read everything, I look at everything, and I really do like to do shout outs and say who told me what, but I didn't write stuff down this time, and I really just wanted to share these little tips and tricks and tell people about that little mermaid brush and all these tips and tricks, you know. So there we go. So this is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.